Imagine flying 11,000 miles without a map or GPS. That's the incredible journey migratory birds embark on each year. But how do they manage such an astonishing feat? These avian navigators use the Earth's magnetic field as their guide, a skill so precise it rivals our most advanced technology. As seasons change, they embark on epic flights, crossing continents and oceans, all driven by an innate instinct. Their tiny brains are equipped with a natural compass, allowing them to detect magnetic fields. This biological marvel ensures they reach their destinations with pinpoint accuracy. Next time you see a flock, remember their remarkable journey, a testament to nature's brilliance.